Welcome back to the channel and welcome to part number 2 of the Prep for Trail Hero series. Now, if you watched my last video, you stuck around to the end, you know exactly what we're up to in this video, and it would probably help all this make sense. Now, why else would a Jeep be sitting in a garage with no wheels and tires on it? Let me show you. This Jeep looks so good on a 42-inch tire. I kind of am blown away by how good it looks. Something about a big tire on a low Jeep just looks so good. Now, 42s, yeah, they're sweet. Truthfully, I'm a 43-inch SX guy. So I know what you're thinking. Why'd you just go ahead and put 42-inch Treps on your Jeep then? Well, spoiler alert, the tires are not mine, but the 17-inch Trail Readies are. So Alex built JL, used to have these on his JL. Since then, he's moved to 42-inch Reds, 20-inch race lines, and he's been ready to unload this wheel and tire package. Me, being broke, I couldn't afford everything. So he was able to go ahead and sell these tires to our friend in Ohio, and I was able to purchase just the wheels. So in the future, yeah, I'll probably end up with a nice set of SXs, but at least now I have a nice set of aluminum wheels to put those on when we get there. So what we're actually going to be doing is dismounting the Treps off of the Trail Readies. My Nittos are going onto the Trail Readies. These tires will get packed away and they're gonna end up in Ohio with our buddy. And yeah, not looking forward to this. It's already late at night. I gotta dismount some steel beadlocks, dismount these, but we gotta keep getting this Jeep ready for Trail Hero. So let's go ahead and dismount these wheels and tires. Well, there's your glamour shots of the new setup. We're running a 17-inch trail-ready beadlock on a 40-inch Nitto Trail grappler. Obviously, the tires are still the same, but for the rest of this year, or at least the rest of this season, this is how we're going to be finishing out. Don't get me wrong, I miss the gold. Maybe over the wintertime, we'll play a little bit of powder coat and change the whole setup back up. But this Jeep looks completely different to me. Right now, I'm enjoying it, and change is good. So I do enjoy it, but I don't want to dedicate this whole video to just wheel and tire change. We have way too much to do before this Jeep literally leaves in a couple days now for Trail Hero. So I have one little project that's a want, it's not a need. I got some time to kill today. So let's go ahead and show you what I'm talking about. Right here on these both sides, oh, not that side. I guess I don't hit that side, but over on these both sides, been getting pretty good at smashing them up. And whenever I built these, I had intentions of going ahead and running the router around them. Well, I finally just picked up a router. So I'm gonna rip these off really quick, router them, throw them back on, and that's it. So let's go ahead and do that really, really fast. There we go. That is what we were after. Nice, smooth surface along this UHMW. Look who it is. But what we learned was you should probably do it before you start beating on these things. At the end of the day, these are sacrificial, so they're designed to get beat up, but hopefully routering the edges of that kind of prolong the life from them cracking. So let's go ahead, toss that back on. Routering on the UHMW for the both sides is done. They're reinstalled. Everything is good to go there, which means tonight's upload is officially over. Now, I have another video coming out next week. It's a pretty important one, or at least a pretty cool one that I'm super excited about. So check back next week. For the rest of the evening, I'm gonna go work on Alex's Jeep with him, try to get that prep for Trail Hero 2. So catch you guys on the next upload. Later.